Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naeem Azam, Chief Market Analyst at Evertrade, and welcome to our daily technical analysis video. In today's segment, I'm going to look at Bitcoin, and of course, we're going to look at this particular question, which is there a new record high coming? Because obviously the prices have crossed a critical level, so which means that we have to reassess the support and resistance zone, and of course, that means entry and exit. Before we do anything else, it is important for us to go through this disclaimer, which is right in front of you. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch. Now, as always, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring out the MT4 platform and we will begin the analysis by looking at the Bitcoin's daily chart. So what we will do, we will bring out the Bitcoin chart right over here, drag it into here. Now, what we see from the daily time frame perspective is a few indicators to begin with. Firstly, we have this 200-day simple moving average, followed by that is how we have 100-day simple moving average, and then finally your 50-day simple moving average. Now, clearly, there is no doubt that this bull trend is very, very much in play because the price is trading well above these three moving averages. Now, if you are wondering what is this particular indicator, this is your Bollinger Band with in between that is your 20-day simple moving average. Now, what it shows is that the price pierced the above upper band of the Bollinger Band, and that means the price has gone just too far and too fast, so retracement is due. And we have seen that retracement in the past few days because obviously the price has come within this particular Bollinger Band, and now it is sorry, it is trying to move back towards its 20-day simple moving average. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get rid of our Bollinger Band just to clean up the chart a little bit and then focus on the price and on the price only as well. So folks, when we look at the BTC against the US dollar, we need to focus on few important things. Number one, what we really see with respect to the Bitcoin price is that yes, the price formed the highest high right over here when it touched 24,252. But ever since, the price has traded lower. But only yesterday, what we have seen is that the price hasn't formed a lower low because day before yesterday or the 2 days before that, we had this consistency of price forming lower lows and lower highs. So if these are your lower lows, and then on the top of that, what we have is our lower highs. So these are our lower this is a high, and then this is a lower high, and then this is a lower low, and this is a low, and this is a lower low. But as for this particular candle or the price action for yesterday, what we really see is the price forming a higher low but not a higher high. But today, the price action has done something completely different, which is that the price formed a higher high, meaning it went above the highs of yesterday, which is very, very positive in terms of a price action. And so far, we are above the lows of yesterday. So as long as the price stays above this particular price level, which is the low of yesterday, we really have a lot more greater chances for the price to move or break above the highs of all time. So this particular high. So the focus among investors and traders is very much going to be in between these particular zones, these particular price areas. So from a trade perspective, what you may want to do is wait for the price either to come near the lows of yesterday and then perhaps look for a trade to the upside, or wait for the price to short evenly towards the highs of the near the all-time highs, or take a breakout trade from here. Now, in terms of the 30-minute time frame, what we are seeing is we are seeing a very bullish sort of a momentum coming in. Let me explain what do I mean by that. Because fairly recently, it was over here when the price crossed above the 50-day simple moving average on the 30-minute time frame. It was over here when the price crossed above that. Right over here, the price challenged the 50-day simple moving average. But what is quite important in terms of a price action is that in a long time, we have not seen the 50-day simple moving average crossing above the 200-day simple moving average, because the last time that it happened was right in around this particular area when the 50-day simple moving average crossed above the 100-day simple moving average right over here. And what happened afterwards was that this massive upward rally happened. Now, what we're seeing is exactly the same sort of a price action forming, where the 50-day simple moving average is once again about to cross above the 50-day simple moving average is about to cross above the 200-day simple moving average. So once again, to repeat that, the last time the price crossed above the 50-day simple moving average, crossed above the 200-day simple moving average, we saw this massive rally, and a similar thing is about to happen with respect to the Bitcoin price on the 30-minute time frame as well. So that means that the breakout trade that we talked about on the daily time frame has quite a lot of importance. So let me go back to the daily time frame once again, and then let me just increase the size of this one as well, and then we're going to draw our price levels on the daily time frame as well. So this is the price level that I've talked about. So basically, this particular breakout trade is very much in focus. The chances are that the price is going to break to the upside, breaking the all-time high, and then moving from 24,000 price level to all the way perhaps to 30,000 price level. So let's keep an eye on that and then see how the price evolves from here onwards. In the meantime, stay safe and stay happy, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you.